Today's session is entitled Launching, Rebuilding, and Growing Your Business in the Era of COVID. We have representatives from various organizations in our region.
And I'm Eli Flournoy, and my parents created the Sugarbush Foundation as a supporting organization to the Ohio University Foundation. The Sugarbush Foundation relies on joint design methodology to fund projects in Appalachian, Ohio. We fund in the areas of environmental restoration, renewable energy, zero waste, food insecurity, and sustainable economic development.
I'm the executive director at the Athens County Foundation, focused on building a vibrant economy, thriving communities, and creating opportunities for individuals to be healthy and well and have opportunities.
Let me tell you just briefly what the Parkersburg Area Community Foundation is. We are a regional charitable foundation headquartered in Parkersburg, West Virginia. Our focus is to build the permanent resources that our communities need to thrive and to grow and to move forward and effectively meet the needs of the people who live in our region.
I'm Trace Ross with the Ross Foundation. We're a family foundation in Parkersburg, West Virginia. Our focus has really been on community economic development and education most of the time. We actually created some loan pools to help small businesses in our area, whether it's their early stage of their business or into their mid stage or a late stage, through Mid-Ohio Valley Regional Council.
So I'm John Molinaro, as Eli said. A community development financial institution is a U.S. Treasury certified institution that has been formed by local people to address shortages of capital available for critical needs in local markets. Appalachian Growth Capital is formed specifically to invest in small businesses.